In today's video, I'll show you how to create a call to action, also known as a CTA, inside HubSpot. If you're new to HubSpot or have never created a CTA before, don't worry. I'll walk you through it step by step in a simple way. First, log into your HubSpot dashboard. On the left-hand menu, look for the Marketing section. Click on it and then find the option labeled CTAs. This is where all your call to action tools live. Once you click it, you'll be taken to the CTA dashboard. From here, you'll see different types of CTAs you can create. HubSpot lets you build buttons, pop-ups, slide-ins, and more. For this example, we'll create a button CTA since it's the most common and beginner-friendly option. Select the button type and choose a template to get started. Now you'll see the CTA editor. This is where you customize everything. Start by adding the link where you want people to go when they click the button. You can also choose whether the link opens in the same tab or a new one. Next, update the button text. This could be something like Shop Now or Learn More, or any action you want users to take. After that, you can style the button to match your brand. You can change the color, adjust the width, add borders, and even round the corners to make it look cleaner and more modern. As you make changes, you'll see a live preview so you always know what your CTA will look like. Once everything looks good, review your settings and publish the CTA. And that's how you create a call to action in HubSpot. Share this video and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.